Sastra comments to pledge. India is my country.
India is my country.
All Indians, sir.
All Indians, sir.
My brothers and sisters.
My brothers and sisters.
I love my country.
I love my country.
And I am proud of his rich and wide heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. India well-being and prosperity. Alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was one of the greatest freedom fighters of India. He played a major role in India's freedom struggles. And Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was one of the dynamic and famous leader of India. He was a close associate to Mahatma Gandhi and participated in freedom struggles. Every year on his birthday, we celebrate National Unity Day. Let us all remember his contribution and take inspiration of his life. Thank you.
Hey everyone, today's weather report is brought to you by Pavitra of Grade IX Topaz. Weather report. Minimum temperature 23 degrees Celsius. Maximum temperature 32 degrees Celsius. Partly sunny. Humidity 82%. Wind speed 14 km per hour. Thank you, and that's the end of today's news bulletin. Hey everyone, today's international and sport news is brought to you by Srijanya from Grade IX Topaz. International news. Ukraine arrested European ex-soldier for spying. Sport news. Yesterday match, India versus Australia. India won by 5 wickets against the Australia. Thank you.
Everyone, today's news bulletin is brought to you by Kirtana from Grade IX Topaz. State news. Indian former cricket captain Mohammad Azharuddin is likely to be made as Telangana's cabinet minister. School news. SA1 exams are going on very well, and by tomorrow SA1 exams will be finished. Thank you. Riddles are brought to you by Lakshmi Prasanna from Grade 9 Topaz. Riddle for Grade 7. I have cities but no houses, rivers but no water, and forests but no trees. What am I? Yes, you picked the right answer, and the right answer is map. Let us all appreciate them. Riddle for Grade 8. I'm an odd number. Take out a letter from me and I'll become even. What number am I? Yes, you picked the right answer, and the right answer is 7. Let us all appreciate them. Riddle for Grade 9. I have neck but no head. I have 2 arms but no hands. What am I? Yes, you picked the right answer. Yes, you picked the right answer, and the right never goes up. Yes, you picked the right answer, and the right answer is rain. What is with full of holes but still can hold the water?
Morning everyone. Today thought is brought to you by Ananda Kishore of Grade 9 Topaz. Thought. Do something today that your future self will thank you for. I repeat it again. Do something today that your future self will thank you for. Thank you.
Today's word is brought to you by Pavitra from Grade 9 Topaz. Word. Potential. Quality or ability that can be developed. Friends, please spell after me. Potential. P-O-T-E-N-T-I-A-L. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Patience is not the ability to wait, but the strength to keep a positive attitude while waiting. A glad morning, everyone. This is Sarya of Grade 9 Topaz. Today I want to talk about a simple word that teaches a powerful lesson for our life. That is patience. Life is not always easy. Sometimes, no matter how hard we try, things don't go our way. In those difficult situations, one quality that keeps us stay strong, that is patience. When things go wrong, patience keeps us strong. Patience is not just about waiting. It is about believing that good things will come at the right time. Great things take time, and patience is the key to unlock them. It teaches us to stay calm when everything around us feels uncertain. It teaches when we lose patience, we lose focus. But when we stay patient, we find peace and clarity. The strong people are not those who never fall, but those who never again fall with patience. Just like a seed takes time to grow into a tree, our dreams also need time, effort, and patience to bloom. Every struggle we face is a step towards something better if we always have patience. So let's always remember, with patience, even the roughest roads can lead to beautiful destinations. Thank you.